Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So as you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to Sydney again. So it is currently Wednesday night and I'm about to pack my suitcase because yeah, I'm flying tomorrow morning and the Google event is in the evening. So yeah, I know a couple of my friends are going to be staying in the same hotel that I am going to be staying at, so I'm so excited. So I thought I would just start the vlog with me packing, and yeah, I'm supposed to just like starting the vlog awkwardly at the airport, trying to find a little spot to talk to the camera because these days I'm a little bit more conscious, a little bit more self-conscious when I'm filming out in public. So this is the current state of my makeup station. Sorry, it is very messy, but I am going to be taking my Samsonite makeup bag with me, so I'm just going to unpack this, maybe tidy this little section up, and I'm going to choose the makeup that I'm going to be wearing for tomorrow. So I've narrowed down the products that I'm going to be taking to these. Can't forget my beauty blender. Actually I need a setting spray. I'm going to look for a really small one because I don't want to pack too much. I'm actually going to look for a sandwich bag so that I can put my liquid products in them. Not because mostly because I'm scared that they'll pop and like ruin everything else in here. I'm only going to really put like foundations, concealers, the lip glosses and stuff in that. So I'm going to look for that. And in this little compartment over here we've got the brushes. So these are the brushes that I'm going to be taking, and this time I made sure that I had every brush because not every, but almost every time I go away and I bring like a makeup bag, I forget a particular brush that I need, whether it be a blush brush or highlighting brush. It really annoys me that I forget. So this time I really took my time and made sure I've got that. Alright guys, so we have made it to the airport, and actually I thought I was going to be running late this morning, so I kind of woke up my partner in a hurry, but I got in pretty quickly. I always forget domestic flights, the check-in is so quick, but now we're here at the airport and I'm just going to find the gate, chill for a bit, and maybe download a show because I forgot to download a show before I left home.
Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, maybe just a better kind of bitter. Roots grabbed from script.
Finally here. You guys might have noticed I've got a different suitcase this time. This is actually my partner's, my suitcase, the pink one. That's really banged up and I'm honestly really embarrassed to take it out anymore because it looks really bad. So we're going to catch the train to Sebel Quay. So Google has very generously put me back at the Sebel, which is at Sebel Quay. You guys know that view. If you guys haven't watched that vlog from last time, I'll link it on the screen. But yeah, I'm really excited because I remember the view was amazing, and depending on what the lighting situation is, I might try and do a getting ready with me video on this camera with that view. We'll see.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So
Alright, we're finally here at the hotel. Again, I'm staying at the Sebel Quay. I think that's the actual name of this place. But yeah, I'm always very thankful and very appreciative to the team at Google Pixel, 1000 Heads for organizing this thing, especially Lena, girl, love you. So this view doesn't get old. I love it. So if you guys haven't seen the previous vlog, I'll show you guys a little bit of a room tour of this hotel room. It's pretty much the same. I believe it's the exact same layout as the last one. Yeah, I think it is. So when you get in the door, this is what you see. If you turn to your left, we have got a kitchen. I'm actually thinking of maybe buying some food that I can just nuke in the microwave, or something that I can cook really quickly after the event, because usually there's drinks after the event and I'm usually very hungry after the event. So I think I'll do that because they've also got a little fridge in here, so I can put my stuff in there. So I'm pretty sure, oh, there's another fridge in there too. Ooh. Extra much. This place I would say is kind of like I don't know if it is a service apartment, but it definitely feels like it because it's definitely got pretty much everything you need. And then you've got washing, laundry facilities, ironing. I'm going to need to do that because my shirts are all wrinkly. And then we have got the dining area, a little office space here, little lounge area, and then over here we have got the view. You can kind of see the view already. Hello. I think that's Barangaroo. If I'm saying that right. Am I saying it right? Please someone tell me. Because I recognize that building. I remember Sunita telling me about that building being constructed. I believe it's like a casino. And that's a really beautiful view of that section there. And now I'll show you Sydney Harbour Bridge. Girl, I think I am actually on the same floor, exact same room, I believe. If not pretty much the same. Oh, there's a little helicopter. Sorry, I got distracted. I think it is, because the view looks very, very familiar. Like, I mean, obviously I've seen this view, but like, you know what I mean, like the vantage point, it looks very, very familiar. So I might be a few levels down, or if not, it's the exact same room. I don't remember. But yeah, love it. It's not exactly clear blue skies like in Melbourne, but it's a little bit hazy, but it's still a really nice day. It is a bit humid, I have to admit. So I am going to crank the air conditioning so that I don't sweat my face off, because I plan on wearing this face while I hang out with Steph. Yeah, because I do plan on taking this off and then painting a new face on for this evening. Okay, so I think I'm just going to chill for a little bit, and then I am going to go downstairs, going to grab some food, go to the supermarket to grab some dry shampoo or some, what's it called, volumizing powder, you know, the stuff you put here because my crown's always very flat. I don't know if it's just me, but I've forgotten how much Sydney people stare. I don't know, maybe I'm paying attention more because I'm in a new place, but yeah, I've noticed that a lot of people just seem to be staring at me. Not that it's a bad thing, I just think there's a lot of stares compared to usual. Alright, so I'm going to this place called Met Centre. From memory, oh yeah, there is a Woolies here. I'm going to grab some food, and then I am going to go to the food court as well for some lunch. Okay, so we're back at the hotel. So I grabbed a couple of things. So for tonight, if I do end up getting really, really hungry, I'll just have this chicken satay with rice from Woolies. It's one of those ones that you can just microwave. If not, I can just have that for breakfast tomorrow. And then I also grabbed some dry shampoo because I forgot to bring some dry shampoo, and I think the dry shampoo I had at home was running low. Actually it's a bit easier. Got some chicken finger things and some chips just for lunch. I was gonna get sushi, but they didn't have any of the sushi that I liked. And then got some kettle sea salt and vinegar because I love this stuff and I like munching on them when I'm on holiday. So they left me this really, really cute card, and also it says here, open me. So they gave me a little snack platter. So cute. I actually am going to try some of that because I do want some of that cheese. Okay, so I've just chilled out for a little bit, and now I'm going to go out with Steph to check out the rocks. All right, let's go. Hello.
Hi.
Good. Oh, is this us? Yes.
Tiring.
Got my camera and everything.
Oh, you're ready to go.
Okay, hey, there's Steph.
Hi.
Alright, so we're gonna go check out the rocks.
Yes.
Okay, so Steph and I are just gonna walk around the rocks. I remember vaguely some of the places here. As I was telling Steph, I used to be quite drunk at uni when I came to visit this place, so I don't really remember much. And I think a lot of things have changed here as well. Like for example, this Starbucks. This Starbucks was never here before. It's very fancy though.
Having a good walk around Sydney with Kim showing me the way.
Hey.
How pretty is this?
First. Ooh, looks like they've got a little gallery here. That's cute. And then when we landed, it looked a bit hazy as well.
Yeah.
So I thought, wonder if the fires are still going, but like the winds are just pushing it away. We're now here at Circular Quay, watching the ferries, and then over there, just behind this cruise ship, is the Opera House. I love the ferry. I really wish I could stay a little bit longer. As I was telling Steph, I wish I could have stayed longer so that we could just go on the ferry and go to Manly, go to Taronga Zoo, because the ferry is all very Instagrammy as well. Okay, so we're back in the hotel. Worked up a sweat definitely while we were out and about, but definitely enjoyed it. I'm glad I wore sunscreen. My hair has gotten very flat, so I'm glad I bought dry shampoo. I'm gonna go quickly have a shower because I feel really sticky. Then I'm gonna take this off, put a new face on, and then get ready. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so this is the makeup for the evening. It was a little bit too dramatic, but hey, here we go. There's AJ, and then we've got Steph over there. We have no idea what we're expecting, so it's gonna be fun. It's going to be an experience, and you guys are going to be coming along with us. All right, take two, because our Uber driver wants to be in the vlog. There he is. Hello. He's driving.
Yeah. Hello. This guy was very good, guys, and I dropped him to Surrey Hill today.
Awesome. Thank you. Here he is. Hello, Google. Okay, so our Uber driver is very eccentric. He was starting to talk to himself, and he dropped us off a bit further. When I say a bit further, it was a bit of a hike, a bit further from where we had to go. It wasn't even on the same street.
It wasn't even in like a little street, it was just on the main road. He was like, there you go, okay, bye.
Yeah, we all got out, we were just thinking, oh, this is it? And they're like, no, but this doesn't look right. AJ, whip out the Google Maps.
No, this is not it.
And by the way, we're very early. So it's actually very strange.
Yes.
I'm usually just on time. Or just past 10.
How you going?
TikTok. Yes, TikTok.
Okay guys, stick with us.
Alright guys, we're here.
That's what we're going to be testing out tonight as we play some games. So the first feature of the new Google Assistant is speed. So the new Google Assistant is very fast.
The scores on the board do not represent the final scores.
The game's starting. Oh my god!
Keep playing and get those points.
Oh my god, it's so stressful.
30 seconds. Let's go, Julia.
Apple.
Go. 3, 2. Show me my photos. 8 seconds. 10 seconds left of round 7. 2 seconds. 1.
Woo! We're third place. We got 2 trophies. Hey, it's the next day. So, I have to admit I got pretty intoxicated last night. So, I didn't really vlog much after. Because, yeah, I was busy just chatting and having a really good time. And I rarely get drunk. When I do get drunk, it's usually because I'm around friends that I trust and I feel safe, and it's just overall good company. I'm just really enjoying myself. So So yeah, that was pretty much what happened last night. So after the event, we pretty much went to a restaurant in Potts Point. I don't even remember the name of the place, but the food was amazing. Like, I'm not saying it because I was just drunk, but it was amazing. But it was also really good because it helped me sober up. Yeah, and then we pretty much just got back to the hotel, and then AJ and I actually requested to have a late checkout because yeah, we just, well, AJ and I, our flights are in the afternoon. That's mostly why she requested for a late checkout. I requested it because I wanted a bit of sleep in, but that didn't happen. So I wanted to sleep in until 9, but it is currently 7:45. I woke up like bang on the dot 7:30, which is like my normal time I wake up for work. Yeah, body clock, but it's okay, it's okay. I'm just going to show you the view because I love the view. Alright, so now I'm in the elevator. I'm going to go to the recreation deck to check out the view and the pool. It's funny, the guy was like, oh, you can head up to the 23rd floor and you can go for a swim now, like reception. I was like, no, I just want the view. Thought I'd grab a seat with like PowerPoints in case we need it. Hey guys, so I'm finally back home. There's a bit of drama, like getting back to Melbourne. So there's currently like severe weather warning, so like strong winds, rain as well, and also the fact that it's like really hot. I think it went to up to 44 degrees today. 45, there you go. It's really hot. So first my flight got cancelled and I got moved on to the next flight, which was fine, and then that flight was delayed as well, and I was starting to get a little bit annoyed, but then my partner kept sending me all these weather report stuff, so I thought I put 2 and 2 together, like, okay, that's why the flight coming from Melbourne to Sydney is delayed. It's because of the winds and stuff, so fair enough, safety first. And then yeah, got on the plane and got back to Melbourne, and it just took forever for them to park the plane at the plane station. Yeah, so it took forever, and then they could only we could only exit up from the front part of the plane instead of both the front and the back because it was so windy, and then it took forever for the baggage to come out as well. So all in all, I was just like, I can't wait to get home. I'm hungry and I need to shower. So yeah, I had a shower, I have eaten dinner, and now I'm just gonna chill in the lounge with my partner. So that's pretty much the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys did. If you guys haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!